The age of the supermarket delivering produce is over. It's over. They're good for canned goods and staples and things like that, but you're going to have to learn to grow your own food. 1,500 tomatoes. So what I did with these torpedo pots and how they grew these tomatoes is that I walked up to these planters and I literally just threw my seeds in there, and guess what? The seeds were like, they were like 10,000 seeds for like, I don't know, $20. Torpedo pot is a self-growing planter, and it feeds my family for the whole year. I have my spring, I have my summer, and I have my fall crops. And my fall crops go into the winter. This is my summer crop. Those torpedo pots you see sitting behind me, well, they grew 15,000 pea pods. Then after that season, they grew 1,500 tomatoes. Yeah, those torpedo pots back there. And all I did was to turn that knob on that planter, put my soil in, put my seeds, my plants in, turn it on, supplement once a week, and you'll get perfect food for the rest of your life. And that's what it does. For you. All you have to do is put your seeds in, or put your seedlings in, walk away for the rest of the year, and it grows your food for you. You plug up a little hose in the back, you turn a knob in the front. All you do is put your seeds and your plants in that planter, and it's designed to grow your food for you. You don't have to grow your food anymore. I don't grow my food. I put all my seeds in my torpedo pot, I turn a knob, and it grows my food for me. I have to pick all this because guess what? It's going to start turning color on me, and I need to get it inside the bag. It does. Torpedo pot is the world's first self-growing planter. It has a built-in irrigation system and allows you to control thousands of planters from one water source. Yes, from one spigot, I control hundreds of planters in my house. And all I have to do is plug up a little hose in the back here, and I get thousands and thousands of dollars worth of food. Torpedo pot is no joke. And I love what I'm seeing. I love eating my food. I love being healthy. I love seeing healthy food. And this is just amazing. I'm really satisfied with the crop that we have. I'm encouraging all of you, guys, get your torpedo pots. Get your self-growing planters and learn to love your food again. Take a different approach. This pot has been designed to grow fungus. We realize a lot of people use fertilizers in their to feed their plants. And what we try to tell individuals is that fertilizers, they're like a drug. What you do is that you put the fertilizer in and it goes to the plant's root system and the plant absorbs it up. But the plant is not going out and reaching and getting its food. The plant is not existing in an environment, a natural environment, where the microbes and the fungus are there to help break down those particulates and make them available to the soil. So you don't have that building soil process. You simply throw your fertilizers in, it goes up into the plant, and it's like a stimulus to make the plants behave in a certain way, not with torpedo soil. Have you ever seen anybody presented this before you? If nobody's ever presented this before you, then I'm telling you, you need to pay attention to what you're looking at here. Torpedo pot, all I did was take my seeds or my plants and put them in this planter. See them behind me? And they will grow my food for the rest of my life. I love it. Now, all right, well, and the planters behind me, we grew over 1,500 tomatoes in 40 feet. Now, I'm just showing you off. This is my third harvest. I want you to see what's going on. But with torpedo pot, all you do is take your plants and your seeds and you put them in this planter. See that knob on that planter? What it does is that when you turn that knob, it grows your food. And we call it torpedo pot. Your food just shoots out like a torpedo and it starts to grow like you've never seen before. Torpedo pot does it for you. So we want to be able to harness all of your food needs at torpedo pot. And these are our tomato planters. I think we got about 33 of them. And they run by themselves. They're fully automated. They don't require any human intervention. I come in and I supplement once a week and that's it. I haven't done anything. I let them grow wild. And check this out. When I let them grow wild, you know how many tomatoes I'll get from this one planter? Probably between 100 to 200 tomatoes. So literally, for less than a nickel, I grew 1,400 tomatoes. Torpedo pot grew 1,400 tomatoes for less than a nickel worth of seeds. Now, isn't that crazy? That is freaking crazy, dude. That's Torpedopot. It grows your food with no human intervention. Put your seeds in, put your plants in, and let it grow your food. Voila. I want you to search the internet, and I want you to find a picture like this on the internet where a person in their backyard grew 15,000 pea pods, 1,400 tomatoes, and about to grow so much other food, 3,000 peppers. We're just growing so much food all over the place. Follow us. And have them all be so healthy and so organic and so pure. Dude, there's nothing else in the world that can do that. Only Torpedopot. We're the fastest growing system in the world. If you don't know who we are, you need to find out who we are. We're no joke. My goal is to feed the world. I want to make all of you farmers because I need you to build my blockchain. My blockchain will be built off of all of you farmers storing your food in the network so you'll get the true worth of your goods and services. That's the power of the blockchain. Torpedopot. Darryl Addison, torpedopot.com. Darryl Addison, torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.